What's up guys, today we're back here with another video and we will be playing Squid Game. Okay, what game shall we play, or shall we leave this game? Leave. Okay, we're back at the main lobby. We're gonna be playing Glass Bridge. We're playing Glass Bridge, guys. Oh. Okay, we're not playing a red light, green light. Okay. Okay. Okay guys, we shall end it here. See you in the next video. Peace out.